Hello everyone, welcome to a new video and another new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the Elrond wallet. Now before I can proceed, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group. And last and the most important thing is the disclaimer. Please take some time to read the disclaimer. So let's move ahead and understand how we can go ahead and create a wallet of Elrond. It's a web-based wallet. Now basically for people who are already into decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet, Tron Wallet, or any other for that matter, for them you particularly don't need to know the finer details. It's the same process over here, but for the benefit of those who are never use or probably using it for the first time, I'll walk you through the entire process. So you can see over here the disclaimer over here that it doesn't have a reset feature blockchains typically. So you need to ensure that you're writing down your secret keywords. So I'm confirming that I'm extra careful with my secret phrase. I've kept a backup including that of my private keys. So for a web wallet, you would need both your secret phrase as a backup, your password, and private key basically. And you understand here I'm clicking again. I understand, but I'm using this wallet for transferring real e-gold tokens. So when I click on continue, it will be showing me my secret phrase. Now since I'm not going to be use this, remember this, I'm not going to be using this wallet, so I'm publicly displaying this. Otherwise you're never ever supposed to display this secret phrase to anyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a quick photograph of it, because we will need this to create the password. So I've just taken a photograph of the same, and for you need to write down in a safe place. Don't write it in a soft form. Keep it somewhere in a piece of paper. Take multiple backups, 2-3, and keep it in a safe place. Please do not disclose it to anyone. If you disclose it, you are bound to lose all your funds. So I just confirm and that I've written down and safely stored my secret phrase. I'm saying create my wallet. So it's asking me for the word 4. So in the word 4 here was income. Then word 8 over here was gap. Word 17 over here was okay. And before I can click on continue, there is an option to go back on words in case you have not missed it. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and now you would need to create a password. So the requirement here is let me create one first. So you see the requirement over here is at least 8 characters, an uppercase letter, a symbol, and a number. So your 24 words were for backup purpose, and for accessing your web-based wallet you will need a password as well as a file. So the moment you click on continue, immediately you can see a .json file, which is your file which is going to be created, which is known as the key store file. So please keep this also in a secure place, because when you're trying to access your web wallet, you will need to use both your password as well as this JSON file or your key store file which is there. So when I say access wallet over here, so now you see it's asking me for the password which we just created. So I'm going to punch in the password. Okay, and before accessing the wallet, if you try to click your access wallet, you can't. So it will ask you to select the file. It's basically the file which you had just downloaded. So I'm going to select that, and when you say access wallet, now you see you will be able to access your wallet. So congratulations, we have created Elrond wallet. And you can say this is your address and this is your QR code for receiving funds over here. So moreover, here you can see this is totally your web-based thing. Similarly, you will have your extension which is there, which is called as the Defi Valid. Basically, like you have a MetaMask over here, similarly you can have it over there, a similar kind of a process. So this is how it is, and here all your details would be the current price of eGold, which is there around 144 USD. Your transactions would be shown over here, and when you send, you need to send yes, typically just like any other wallet. And I'll just close this, and okay, I'll close this too over here. Then for receive transactions, I just now showed you QR, same thing it is done. And sign in message, paste in the message you would like to sign in. Well, I'm not sure what exactly this is. Your tokens, whatever are reflecting, if at all, in this particular address, your NFTs, and your swap option which is there. Okay, and it is going to, it's like just we have an internal option wherein you can buy crypto. You have options over here wherein you can buy via Visa or bank transfer, etc. if you intend to buy directly from your web wallet. And this is the close feature. So the moment I click this, it's going to close this particular wallet. And every time you plan to access this particular wallet, you would need your password and the JSON file or the keystore file. So I hope that you understood how to create your Elrond wallet. Next, I would rather prefer using the Maya Defi Wallet, which is there. It's similar to Elrond wallet, and like it will have an extension Google Chrome and all. I'll be doing a separate video on that to explain how it works. So I hope that this video was helpful enough. Do let me know your feedback, whether you like this video. You have some queries, and please do give a lot of likes. Do share it across, because a lot of effort goes in creating these videos. Share it across. If you have any comments, do let me know in the comments section. And just a gentle reminder, I wouldn't be using the wallet if you have seen the keyword phrase, but request you to kindly keep yours safe. So until the next video, take care and be safe.